सो हेलो गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि बायो के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें रेलेवेंट होगा। जैसे कि हमने फिजिक्स एज वेल एज मैथ्स के लिए प्रीवियस वीडियोस में देखा है। इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल यू कैन चेक इट आउट। सो जैसे कि हमने उसके लिए देखा, मैं इस वीडियो में आपको 3 मेन चीज़ें बताऊंगा, जिसमें से फर्स्ट 2 आर लाइक बेसिक, जो सब फॉलो करते हैं, बट द थर्ड वन इज लाइक यू शुड डू which will really help you। and मैं बता सकता हूँ if you are doing these 3 things you can almost do 13 to 14 questions of biology section in IIT exam। so let's begin with the video। Okay, so the first thing is NCERT reading। if you are doing NCERT reading regularly so it is very good, because जब तुम NCERT reading करते हो, शायद तुम्हें फर्स्ट टाइम पे लाइन्स है वो समझ ना आए, बट जब तुम सेकंड थर्ड टाइम में जब रीड करते हो यू कैन रिलेट द लाइन्स विद द प्रीवियस वन विच यू हैव ऑलरेडी रेड, राइट। सो तुम ऐसे करते करते बायो को एक इंटीग्रेटेड फॉर्म में लर्न कर सकते हो और समझ सकते हो, बिकॉज बायो आई डोंट थिंक सो पूरा रट्टा होता है। कुछ चीजें बहुत समझने वाले, ऑलमोस्ट सारी चीजें समझने वाले होते हैं, जैसे कि नेम्स जो होता है वो शायद रट्टा मारना पड़ता है, एंड ऑब्वियसली मारना पड़ता है, बट द कंसेप्ट एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज नॉट रियली कि तुम उसको मगअप करो, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, और तभी तुम IIT के प्रॉब्लम्स कर सकते हो। सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज NCERT रीडिंग, दैट इज द मोस्ट बेसिक थिंग। लेट्स मूव टू द सेकंड वन। So the second most basic thing, still it is the most important thing that you should do starting from your 11th, right? So the thing is you should follow one book from starting of your 11th and you should continue it to the end of your 12th and fortunately till your end of your NEET exam and as well as IIT exam। So मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ कि जो भी तुम बुक फॉलो कर रहे हो, स्टिक टू दैट, डोंट जंप टू एनी अदर बुक। इफ अगर कोई बोल रहा है कि ये बुक फॉलो करो, वो बुक फॉलो करो, उसमें अच्छा सोल्यूशन है, डोंट डू दैट, बिकॉज फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ योर 11th यू आर फॉलोइंग वन बुक, सो यू आर यूज्ड टू इट, राइट। You know how the book works, right? Actually works। and at my time I used to refer MTG because it has lot of practice question and as well as some of the not some of the but most of the PYQs from last years as well as from JIPMER and AIMS also, when AIMS and JIPMER used to conduct their exam separately। so yeah, that's why I used to use MTG। but अगर तुम कोई और बुक यूज कर रहे हो then I would say कि तुम उस पे ही स्टिक रहो, कोई और बुक पे जंप मत करना, and do all those questions which are given in the book। don't leave one single question from that book, don't do that, okay? because you will get the satisfaction level after completing the book which will be not comparable with anything, okay? it is like something you have achieved heaven kind of thing, okay? so that's the second most important thing, that you should follow a referral book for your IIT preparation for bio thing, okay? yeah, so let's move with the third section। Okay, so the third most important thing, which is the best part of this video, or which is the most important part of this video, is that I will share a most important PYQs of NEET, which basically will be helpful for your IIT exam as well। I know that because IIT का पेपर जो है which is similar to the NEET level questions of biology, but it is somewhat conceptual, but the application or the answers will be same, right? it's not like the answers change हो जाएगा, it's like the way of asking is changed, but the concept and everything is similar and same, right? so that's why I will share PDF in which you can find the most and the repetitive questions of NEET from past years till now, which is like for botany and zoology as well as chemistry and physics। I will share in the same PDF, but I will not recommend you to do those physics and chemistry questions now। just focus on biology, that is botany and zoology part, and do it properly, because physics and chemistry will be way harder than what is given in that PDF, right? so yeah, you should do that question because it is the most repetitive questions in NEET UG। so definitely it will be, most probably it will ask in your IIT exams, and I'm not saying that कि तुम्हारा बुक छोड़ के the context you are using right now वो छोड़ के तुम इस पर फोकस करो, no। it's like I guess it's around 300 questions, I guess, around, I am not sure about that। you can do that 300 questions at any time, right? and you can view it as a test also for biology। so yeah, that's it for this video। and also one thing I would like to share, that the PDF which I'm sharing with you, it is totally belongs to Vedantu, because I have taken this PDF from Vedantu, and there is no any credits which I am taking, that I have made this PDF or something else। so yeah, this PDF is totally belong to them। I'm just referring this PDF and sharing it with you guys, because I personally think that it will be very helpful for you guys, and yeah, for your preparation of IIT 2024। bye bye।